Here we go again. Dang it, Samsung. I just got done throwing some shade at Apple. Yes, yes.
It's this guy.
See, Samsung sees the Apple way. Hello, guys. It's I, Apple Tech. So I want to welcome all of you Apple fans and Apple lovers. You see, Samsung loves the Apple way. They see the vision in making money and more profits and saving the environment all at the same time. The Apple way is the only way. Yes. So with that being said, allow me to do the opening. Welcome to Dancing with Tech. We're going to spread some good news. Be sure to subscribe, like, and make sure you leave a comment below because we know Apple is the only way. All right, guys, the first story for today is Samsung and the S21 series. Yes, we're gonna be talking about that. So, wait. You guys thought I forgot? Just because the other guy is so whack over there, doesn't mean we have to be whack. We gotta do the good joke for today. But, of course, my joke was provided by a good old friend, Ricky Ruby. He provided me a few jokes, so check him out on Instagram. Also, his birthday was just yesterday, which was December 10th. Well, I guess it depends when you watch this video. Anyway, his birthday was December 10th, so give him a birthday shout out. So, all right, so the joke for today is, how do you make tissue dance? Come on now. You know how to do it. Come on. You put a little boogie to it.
I'm gonna knock you out this toilet tissue.
You got knocked the out, man.
The first story for today is we're gonna be talking about the Samsung S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. So you guys are getting 3 veterans next year or next month, whatever. Anyways, there has been several leaks out there, and the leaks come from Samsung themselves to show off the wonderful design of the S21 series. Now, the S21 has a purple color with a bronze or gold camera module. I'm not gonna lie, the 2-color combination is dope, man. And it gives a fresh look and just looks clean. Now, those 2 variants has a flat display on both of them, the S21 and the S21 Plus, so you guys will know. And also, this also has been confirmed, and this will keep the production costs low on the 2 models. Also, now the S21 Ultra has been shown off as well in an all black phantom color. So if you're looking for the best of the S21 series, well, this is the phone you get. Right now, we don't have no specific specs or anything right now, so we're not gonna get into that. But it is confirmed that this phone will come with a curved display. So if you're a fan of waterfall looks, this is the phone for you. Now let's go to the second story for today. Now, Samsung has a habit of making fun of themselves. Making fun of Apple. They always mocking Apple every time they decide to make some type of dumb decision because they call it innovative. But then Samsung turn around a year or 2 later and do the exact same thing. I'm beginning to think Samsung is obsessed with Apple. Come on. They made fun of them about the headset jack. They made fun about the notch, the expandable storage, and now the charger block. They made fun of Apple back in October, and then 3 months later, here we are. They're not gonna come with the charger, so they want to do it the Apple way. Samsung, why you always talk on both sides of your neck? You really like embarrassing yourself. Now, this has been confirmed by Intel in Brazil. They are basically like the FCC in the United States. It's been said that there's no accessory will be included in the box, like nothing. There's also, we saw tweets and stuff that there's not gonna be a charger block in the box. So this is awful. This is awful. So you tell me, okay, so what if I'm a new Samsung person coming to the Samsung game and I'm just coming from Apple, but you don't have no accessory that comes with the phone? Now I gotta pay extra money. Like, we don't know that Samsung gonna be charging people extra money for the charging block, but as soon as we find out, we let you guys know. Now this type of practice is crazy and it's not acceptable. This is an anti-consumer practice. The same thing what Apple is doing, and we as consumers, we gotta say no to this stuff. You have other countries out there like Brazil or France. They're not allowing these companies to send people, consumers, phones without the in-box accessory. So maybe the government in the United States need to step in and also do the same thing. I don't see that likely happening because it's a money win for everyone except for us, for the consumers. And not to mention that these phones continue to get more expensive and expensive at what cost? Are not getting at least the in-box accessories. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out today. You want to see some more videos? Make sure you click on the bubble and subscribe to the channel. And you want to see some more videos or product reviews or tech news? Click over here. Next time, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.